A computer will do what you tell it to do, but that may be much different from what you had in mind. Greetings, I'm Dr. Will, and welcome to Dr. Will's Software Project Leadership channel, where we focus on building real software to solve real problems. Imagine waking up one day and checking your mailbox and receiving a letter from your hospital saying, you died. 8,500 people who received treatment between October 25th and December 11th at St. Mary's Mercy Hospital enjoyed that experience. The hospital had recently upgraded its patient management software system. A mapping error in the software resulted in the system assigning a code of 20, which means expired, instead of a 1, which meant the patient had been discharged. Oh yeah, the erroneous data was not only sent to the patients, but also to insurance companies and the local Social Security office. It took a while to unscrew that. If you've already subscribed to the channel, thank you. If you'd like more content like this, then subscribe and hit the bell below to be notified of new content. Note that it's usually not tech problems that derail tech projects. In fact, 54% of IT failures can be attributed to poor management, while only 3% are due to technological problems. Here are some of the failure points that need the vigilance of management and leadership. Outcomes. Both technology projects and data projects can suffer from an ill-defined goal or outcome. Leadership. For any project to succeed, it requires strong leadership from the top down. Accountability. If executives or leaders aren't driving the project and holding the team accountable, it can easily spiral out of control. Communication. Someone on the tech team needs to be able to explain the project details regularly to the non-tech executives and other involved parties. Also, those non-technical parties need to be able to comprehend the information they're receiving. Planning. Lacking a clear timeline and plan with progress markers, any project, but technology projects in particular, can wander off the original path, lost in the woods, following Virgil and Dante into hell. Testing and feedback. Technology projects are made for people, not machines. A lack of real-world user testing before launch is a common problem. Do something useful with the feedback you receive. Solving the wrong problem. And where I just told you about wandering off the path, this is where you end up, solving the wrong problem. Companies like to think they're creating something to address the problem, but it turns out they may be addressing the wrong problem. Finally, arbitrary deadlines. DeMarco and Lister tell a story of a project leader who reported to senior management that she was bringing her project in on budget and schedule. She'd hit her end-of-month March deadline, so the senior leadership got back to her with, "That's great. Your new deadline is January 15th. In the mid-2000s, many Toyota drivers were reporting that their car was accelerating without them touching the pedal. After a series of accidents, which led to investigations, investigators discovered that software errors were the cause of the unintended acceleration. In this case, there was a series of things wrong with the software installed in Toyota cars. A series of things wrong with the software installed. Memory corruption, wrong memory handling, disabling safety systems, system with single points of failure, and thousands of global variables. You build a global variable sometimes because you're lazy or under pressure. Toyota recalled millions of vehicles, and Toyota's stock price decreased 20% in a month after the cause of the problem was discovered. This case demonstrates the consequences of not giving enough attention to good programming practices and testing as a result of wanting to launch the product early. In software development, we say, if you want it bad, you get it bad. This channel is dedicated to helping software projects succeed, not just in the short term, but in the long. So if you'd like more content like this, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when more content like this becomes available. Also, if you have any questions, complaints, concerns, issues, just put them in a comment and we will get back to you with them later. That's it for me, for you for now. Have a great day and a great week. Be careful out there. I'll be seeing you. Bye.